Hello, Junkians. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have got a topic that's incredibly important for all of you aspiring UPSC candidates out there. How to stay motivated during UPSC preparation. It's a journey filled with challenges, but with the right mindset and strategies, you can conquer it. So let's jump right in and discover these 6 essential tips that will keep you motivated throughout your UPSC preparation. Here is the tip number 1, define your why. First up, we have a crucial tip that often get overlooked. Define your why. You see many students lose their motivation because they forget why they embarked on this challenging journey in the first place. So ask yourself this question: why do you want to clear the UPSC exam? Is it for financial stability, to serve the nation, or perhaps it's about getting respect or gaining respect? Once you have your answer, jot it down and read it loud every single day. This simple act will remind you of your purpose, keeping you motivated and steadfast on your path to success. Now here's the tip number 2, set realistic goals. Moving on to our next tip, set realistic goals. Preparing for UPSC is a marathon, not a sprint. To stay motivated, break down your preparation into smaller, achievable goals. These bit-sized milestones are not only easier to reach out, also serve as stepping stones toward your ultimate success. Remember to celebrate each small victory. It's these celebrations that will boost your confidence and propel you toward these larger goals. Tip number 3, stay positive. Positivity is the cornerstone of motivation. Surround yourself with positive people who believe in your capabilities. Push away negative thoughts and doubts. Remember, perfection is not the goal. It's all about making progress, no matter how small. Stay positive and you will find the strength to overcome obstacle and stay motivated. Tip number 4, create a schedule. Now let's talk about organization. Creating a well structured study schedule is absolutely vital during your UPSC preparation. It helps you stay on track and ensure that you cover all the necessary topics. Don't forget to allocate time for breaks, exercise, and leisure activities. Balance is key to keeping your motivation level high. Now, tip number 5, stay consistent. Consistency, my friend, is the key to success. Make a commitment to study every day, even if it's just for a few hours. Consistency builds momentum and keep you motivated. It's those daily steps that will eventually lead to your dream of clearing the UPSC exam. Now, here is tip number 6. Take care of yourself. This is one of the wonderful thing. Lastly, but certainly not least, remember to take care of yourself. Your physical and mental well-being is paramount. Ensure you get enough sleep, maintain a healthy diet, and exercise regularly. Don't neglect your mental health either. Practice meditation or yoga to reduce stress and anxiety. A healthy body and mind are the foundation of unwavering motivation. So, here you have it, 6 invaluable tips on how to stay motivated during your UPSC preparation journey. Remember, staying motivated is not always easy, but it's not impossible either. With the determination, the right mindset, and these tips in your arsenal, you are well on your way to success. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow aspirants. And hey, if you have any additional tips or stories of your own, feel free to share them in the comments below. We love hearing from our Ojaankians. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our valuable content. Until next time, stay motivated, stay focused, and keep chasing your UPSC dream. We believe in you and we will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye. Hi. क्या आप भी आईएएस की तैयारी करना चाहते हैं? क्या आप पीसीएस की तैयारी करना चाहते हैं? बहुत दिनों से आप स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं, लेकिन इसके बावजूद भी आपको सफलता नहीं मिली। भागदौड़ करने के बावजूद भी आपको कोई सॉल्यूशन नहीं मिल रहा। सिर्फ आपका टेंशन बढ़ रहा है, आपका पेशेंस जवाब दे रहा है। इसी टेंशन को दूर करने और आपकी हर एक समस्या का समाधान लेकर आए हम, यानी ओजांक गुरुकुल कैंपस। यहां हम आपको सिखाएंगे आईएएस और पीसीएस जैसे एग्जाम की तैयारी कैसे आसान तरीके से की जाती है, कैसे डिसिप्लिन फॉलो किया जाता है, कैसे अनुशासन रखा जाता है। अगर आप भी चाहते हैं हम आईएएस और पीसीएस बने और अपनी जिंदगी के सारे सपने पूरे करें, तो अभी ज्वाइन करें ओजांक गुरुकुल कैंपस। बिकॉज when we support the word selfless, the whole universe will support you.